How to deactivate your Twitter account. Deactivating your Twitter account temporarily is very simple to do. All you have to do is to simply open up your browser and go to twitter.com or x.com. So X was formerly known as Twitter. Once you log into the account that you want to deactivate, what you have to do is on the left hand side, you can see the option called More from the bottom left. Just go to the More option and there you'll find the option called Settings and Privacy. Just go to Settings and Privacy. Now from settings and privacy here, you can go to your account. From your account on the right hand side, you can see the option that says deactivate your account. So just go to the deactivate your account toggle. Here you will see all the information regarding the deactivation. And if you want to confirm the changes, just click on the deactivate button right here, enter your password and your account will be deactivated. And remember that you must restore your account within 30 days. If you don't restore or reactivate your account within 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. So this way you should be able to deactivate your Twitter account. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.